lock knob off, you can use a pick and just get underneath this little cover right here, and then you can slide it up just like that. Right here there's a cover. You just take a pick, get behind the cover and slide it out. Take the pick underneath this cover here. There's a little slot. You can slide that cover right off. There's a 10mm bolt right here, and there should be two 10mm bolts that you get in here. This vehicle doesn't have those. Take those out. With a trim tool, you want to get behind the door panel, and there's clips all around the door panel. Just pop those clips. Once those are all loose, grab the door panel, slide up, slide it out. And then you want to pop this off right here. You can take some needle nose pliers and you want to squeeze the two little tabs right there. This piece right here is broken on this car, but when you squeeze those tabs, slide that out, just like that. Those are the two little tabs. Then you can pull the door panel off, set it aside. You can pull this vapor barrier down. If you have to, you can use a razor blade to cut it if it's not coming off this easy. That's fine, you don't have to go any further than that. We want to disconnect the connector right here. You can use a pick or a screwdriver, and there's a latch at the top. You just kind of have to lift up on that. It's kind of hard to get your hand in there. As you slide it up, it pulls out. Pull that out like that. So get underneath there and slide it up. And now we want to take this lock rod off. There's a little clip. Slide in behind there. Just try to pop this off. And it pops off from the outside. And then slide the rod off, just like that. Now we're going to take these bolts out right here. Use a T30 socket. Now from the inside, we're just going to slide this out like this. And we are going to have to walk it around. You can take this grommet out. Slide that out. That'll slide down. And then if you just twist it and go around the window regulator, you can slide it out this way. Just like that. Now we're going to transfer this lock rod over to the new one. You just slide up like this. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. And go over to the new one and just slide it in position, just like that. To install the new latch, you want to go around the regulator with the cable. Slide it out like that. And then the lock rod. And then just twist it. And we want the lock rod to go through that hole up there. So angle that up. Might be a little bit tricky. There you go. Slide it in. And then slide the latch in position. And take the bolts, get the bolts started. And we can snug those down. Put this grommet over. Like that. And you want to take the rod that goes to the outside door handle, you want to line it up into the clip right there, and the clip actually swings the other way on this one. It swings like that. With that in there, then you just want to close it just like that. It's kind of hard to see in there. And with the connector, you want to slide this on and push it down, just like you took it off. Push in and lock it down. Now with the cable, I'm going to slide it right through here, lock it in. You can put the vapor barrier back on. If you need to, you can use some new butyl tape. Take the door panel, slide it in down below. Slide this cable in over here and lock it down. Connect the connector to the window switch. Make sure the lock rod goes through there. You can tap the door panel on. Take the 3 bolts, put the 2 that go in there. This vehicle doesn't have them. Put the other one right here. Tighten that down. Same with the other 2. And put the covers on. Same with this cover. Push that in. And the lock knob, make sure this lock rod is all the way up. Slide this down very carefully. It's in the correct position. Then you just push on this little door. Make sure it works, and you're all set.